On this video, we're going to be looking at the key of F sharp. So we're going to be looking at the scale in the key of F sharp. So this is your first time playing the key of F sharp, or maybe still a beginner. This is good. This is great. Maybe you might have been playing in the key of F sharp for some months, for some years. This is still a very good refresher, right? Now let's look at the scale. It's going to be 1 up to 7. So every key, the scale is 1 up to 7, right? It's like, then we start again on 1, right? Let's do it again very slowly. It's gonna be your 1. Remember, we're in the key of F sharp, so your 1 is gonna be, it's gonna start with the name of the key. So right now we're in the key of F sharp. You start here on F sharp, and then your 2 is G sharp, and then your 3 is an A sharp, and then you have your 4, which is a B, and then you have a 5, which is a C sharp, and then you have a 6, which is a D sharp, and then you have your 7, right, which is an E or an A sharp. So here we go. You have 1, do, re, mi, fa, do, la, di. Then it goes back to 1. So make sure that you practice this. This is very important because any progression, most of them, they're gonna be running within this scale, right? So you have your 1, let's go again, 2, you have a 3, you have a 4, you have a 5, you have a 6, you have a 7, you have your 1, you have a 2, you have a 3, you have 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now that was just the left hand, right? Now we need to look at playing those keys on with our right hand, right? And we're gonna be using the right keys, right? So now your 1 on your right hand is gonna be this one here, right? This is gonna be your 1. And then when you play together with your left hand, it sounds like this. And then you go to 2, you choose this one. Then you play your 2 on your left hand. Then you go to 3. And to 3. So you'll notice that with each key, right, when you're playing on your right hand, it start, like for instance this one here, it starts with your 1, starts here, your 2 starts here, your 3 starts here. Start with the root note of the key, right? Now let's go to 4. That's your 4. And then this is your 5. Right, and then you have your 6. So 6, and then the last one you have is your 7. Right? So what you can do, right? The first thing first, make sure that you get used to playing the scale in your left hand first, especially if you're a beginner. And then from there you practice with your right hand, right? You can practice with just one hand until you get used to them. Then you can play with 2 hands, but there is no pressure to play with 2 hands immediately. The more you practice, the more you get used to it, then the more, it becomes easier for you. But first you want to make sure that you can start, different techniques, they work for, different people. But with me personally, I know that what has been working first is to get used to the keys using my first hand first, especially when I was still learning, So first you wanna, especially where you're playing, 3 keys, right? Triad keys, right? So it's gonna be your 1. Let's do it again. And then you have your 2, right? And then you have your 3, and then you have your 4, right? And then you have your 5, you have your 6, and then you have your 7. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Alright, I hope this helps.